Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about real estate investing for beginners. Start your journey today. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Real estate investing can be a powerful way to build wealth. Here's how you can get started on your journey today. 1. Understand the basics. Real estate investing involves purchasing properties for profit, either through rental income or property value appreciation. Learn the different types of investments, such as residential, commercial, or real estate investment trusts. Rights. 2. Set your investment goals. Identify your objectives, whether it's generating passive income, long-term growth, or a mix of both. Your goals will guide your property selection and investment strategy. 3. Research the market. Study local real estate trends, focusing on areas with growing demand and solid economic indicators. Look for neighborhoods with potential for appreciation and strong rental demand. 4. Secure financing. Explore your financing options, including traditional loans, FHA loans, or private investors. Understand your budget and financial capacity before making any commitments. 5. Evaluate potential properties. Examine properties based on location, condition, and rental potential. Assess all costs, including maintenance, taxes, and management fees. Conclusion: starting your real estate investment journey today involves careful research, setting clear goals, and securing the right financing. Stay focused, and your investments can yield long-term rewards. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.